This remedy is honestly a game changer for anyone struggling with their hair. It doesn't just strengthen your roots, it actively reduces hair fall and triggers brand new regrowth. If your hair feels dull or lifeless, this is how you bring it back to life. It's all about making your hair long, strong, and incredibly healthy. But before we get into the how, just look at these results. It leaves the hair feeling so soft, smooth, and silky. Our star ingredient today is fenugreek seeds. Think of these as a natural conditioner. They're amazing for soothing an itchy scalp and getting rid of dandruff once and for all. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of fenugreek. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. These are packed with nutrients that improve the overall texture of your hair and solve those stubborn breakage issues. Now, add 1 glass of water to the mix and let it simmer on the stove for about 5 minutes. Once it's heated, strain the liquid. Now, you can apply this water directly to your scalp, but here's a professional tip. Take 2 spoons of your regular shampoo and mix the strained water right into it. Don't throw away the leftover paste. You can actually blend that down and use it as a deep conditioning hair mask later. When applying the toner, use a cotton ball. This helps the nutrients section your hair and apply it thoroughly. A gentle massage here is non-negotiable. It boosts circulation and ensures the remedy reaches deep into the follicles. If you skip the massage, you're skipping the results. Work it through your scalp and then down to your lengths. If you have split ends, make sure to saturate the bottom of your hair. Tie it up in a bun, wait 30 minutes and then wash. I used the shampoo toner mix we made earlier and honestly, the results speak for themselves. This isn't just talk. Try it once and let me know your feedback in the comments.